Lions are strategic hunters. Smaller lions usually guard prey and the stronger ones knock it down and kill it. Lions are the only cats to live in groups. Look how the snake is moving by using its belly scales. Gemsbok mark their territory with piles of dung. This water bird is a snowy egret. Getting dust between feathers helps absorb excess oils. Ungulates frequently place their hind feet over the imprints of their front feet. One man's trash is another man's treasure.